Nurse Paul, I'm concerned about Mr. George's medication regimen. His blood pressure has been consistently high, despite adjusting his current medication.
That's concerning, Mihira. Have there been any changes in his medical history or lifestyle recently?
He mentioned increased stress levels due to work demands. Additionally, he's been experiencing some side effects from his current medication, such as dizziness and fatigue.
Those factors could be contributing to his uncontrolled blood pressure. We might need to consider adjusting his medication or exploring alternative options.
I agree. I've researched potential alternatives and found a medication that might be more effective for him. However, it's important to discuss this with Dr. Paul to ensure it's suitable for his overall health.
That's a good plan, Mihira. I'll inform Dr. Paul and schedule a follow-up appointment to discuss the potential medication change. That's a very important topic, Mihira, and I'd be happy to walk you through what happens next as you get ready to go home. When you're medically ready for discharge, the process starts with a final check by your medical team. The doctors and nurses will confirm your vital signs are stable, your wounds are healing well, and that you've met all the necessary milestones for recovery. Once they are satisfied, the doctor will prepare your discharge summary or letter. This is a crucial document that outlines your diagnosis, the treatment you received, and any specific follow-up appointments you need to attend. We'll make sure you get a copy, and one will also be sent to your GP so they are fully aware of your care. The next essential step involves your medication supply. The pharmacy team will prepare any necessary prescriptions, and you'll receive a supply of medication to take home with you. This is a good time for us to go over everything. Could you tell me about your understanding of your current medications?